Hey everyone, today's maintenance video we're going to show you how we clean the filters in the ACs and the screens on the ceiling fans. It should be done periodically to maintain the cooling capacity and efficiency of your air conditioning system, and it helps just with the ventilation throughout the RV. Now, we went longer than we normally go, to a point where I'm not even happy with looking at them anymore, just so that you can see how dirty this stuff actually gets. Cheryl told me if we didn't do this video today, then she was ripping these things out and putting in brand new ones. So we need to get to it, and need to get to it now. Just look up at your air conditioners, check your filters. You can see those are kind of dirty. If you check over here, you can see some over here also. Let's come down here to our Fan-Tastic fan. I put the light up there. You can see this dirt is accumulated up there too. And let's move into the bathroom. I don't even need to put the light up here to show you just how nasty this screen is. It makes the Fan-Tastic fan in the kitchen look like it's, well, brand new. Yeah, welcome to our bedroom AC. Again, we let these go longer than I'm even comfortable with. You can see how it's all accumulated up there and over here on the side vents too. So we're going to take care of that today. Now the way to remove the filter, these two tabs here, pull back and down. And just be careful. Then just gonna push on one edge. Come on, the other side should come. There you go. And just pull it right out. Look at how nasty that is. Other side, same thing. Grab and pull down. Look at that. That is, whew. And again, just pull out. It's a tab here and a tab here. One locks on here and one locks on the bottom. Just slide them right out. What we decided to do, because it's really, really nasty, and it's all up in here. Some of that must be from Palm Springs even. We're gonna pull this whole assembly off. You wanna use a Robinson bit, provided that your RV manufacturer put it in. There'll be 4 of these to get the initial cover off. Jeepers, we may need a vacuum cleaner on.
Okay, everybody close your eyes.
Yeah, I don't even know what to expect under here. Oh, it's not as bad as I thought. But we'll be able to pop this thing right off and clean it, I think. Maybe. Or just hose it out. It's not as bad as I thought. I can take this other cover off. And you guys want to see what it looks like under your air conditioner? Those are a little nasty. Whoa! You always get more than expected when you tune into our videos, huh? All right. So that is what your air conditioner looks like without your initial cover on.
We actually did some maintenance here.
Yep.
We added some silver tape up here to make sure that the air was flowing properly.
Yep.
There was some holes that needed to be covered up.
Now, if your air conditioner starts leaking, what you want to do, these 4 screws, you tighten those down. That's going to compress the gasket that's underneath the air conditioner on the roof. I mean, don't overdo it, but every so often you should come along and just make sure that they're not loose, because that will cause the water to come in. On these, see the little tabs? All you got to do is push them back and pull down. Eventually it's all just going to come down.
Now this one here, it's going to feel like it's going to break, but it's not. You just got to pull it and it comes down.
And there you go. Just like in the bedroom for the front AC, pull back, down. All right, get one side a little down. There you go. Slide it right out.
That doesn't seem as bad as the back bedroom.
Nope. And then this side, same thing. Pull. Slide it out. That's really not as bad.
Nope, we don't run the front one as much as we run the back one.
All right, then what you do? Well, I take them all outside and I hit them with a hose. Get all that crap off.
Let's go do it.
All right, so we're gonna take the screen. It seems to be mostly on this side, so I'm gonna shoot this side and then I'll shoot the other side and try to get all that out of there. Oh, look at it already. Looks pretty good. Same on this one. From behind, you can watch it. Watch it clear right up. That's all there is to it. And trust me, your air conditioner and your fans are going to thank you. I'm gonna do this piece with just a wet paper towel. Let's see how clean it gets.
Is this foam on the other side?
Yeah, I don't want to get the foam all wet and be sticking it back up into the AC. I don't recommend doing this, but because ours is so dirty, there's little tabs here. I'm just pulling it back and popping up on it. We're going to take the piece right off because it's bugging me. There we go. Yeah, so it'll just be easier to clean. Again, if you do it, be extremely careful because those tabs could break and then it's not my fault.
We're going to clean the ceiling and put the cover back on.
Again, if you don't feel comfortable doing this, don't take this piece off. It's not necessary to clean the filters with. It's just Cheryl and I are sticklers. But if you do pull it off, make sure this isn't laying down. Make sure it's not blocking this hole over here. Can you see over here? You want to make sure that this hasn't slid over here because that's going to affect your air conditioning. All right, everything is clean now. So we're going to put this piece back on. It's going to go up this way. You want the foam facing down. Put a screw here, a screw here. Do not tighten them down all the way because you will probably need to do some adjusting. Just try to locate the hole. And just do the other side. Come on, I know you're there. All right, when you put it on, it's going to have a screw here, 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 and here. These two here on the back are going to fit into these two holes right here. That's how you'll know you're perfectly aligned. So, without further ado, try to line up the screw hole. One left. You saw that was a little bit off. Tighten them right down, don't over tighten. And then you can tighten these up. All right, make sure my vents still work here. Quick cool down, whatever they call them. Those are fine. To put the filters back in, it's just going to rest on these two tabs. And the radiuses here are going to face inward. What I do is I start on the bottom, and I just pull it across, and it's in. As far as the filter guards go, has two tabs that are going to point in, and then on the bottom, there are 3 tabs. So, 2 slots will fit those 2 tabs. It'll be easy to show you on this one. The bottom, 1, 2, 3. So, there we go. That's like that. Take this, put the 2 slots in, and then pop those other 3 in. Boom, it's done. Do the same thing on this side. That's in. Put in the 2 slots and get the 3. There you go. All right, in the front air conditioner, the filter locked in. Fit this in, the 2 slots. Pull back. Take it out, click in. This side's done. Again over here.
Giving you 2 different perspectives
to achieve the same goal. All right, let's put the screens in the fans, and this job is done.
And this pops. Right back in. Ta-da!
And that's done. Now when I put the screen up, everywhere there's one of these, it's going to lock into one of the holes here. So you want the hole naturally to fit over the knob. That's all there is to it. All right, everyone. It's finally clean in here, and Charlotte is happy once again.
Yes, I am.
If you guys like what you saw, we'd appreciate that thumbs up as always. You want to become part of the Grow and Get Gone With Us gang? Right down there in the comment, just click it and you're in.
If you have any questions or comments, you can put them right down below, or you could just say hi.
Because we'll say hi back, we always do. Until our next video, I'm Chuck.
And I'm Cheryl.
We're Get Gone With Us. Bye.
Bye.